Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Landcruiser of 2012. This vehicle has a problem with starting. Let me depress the brake. Let me start the vehicle. Nothing. See? So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. The first thing is fuses. So this is the fuse box. So the first thing is to make sure all the fuses are okay. Put your tester on the negative. Right now the ignition is on. All fuses are okay, but we have a relay. This is the relay, ST starter relay. Then we have another fuse which is 30 amps fuse. So what we are going to do is to remove that brown relay. The brown relay is for starter. I have to remove that relay to make sure all 4 signals are okay. This is the starter relay. It has 4 pins, the bigger pin and the smaller pin. Earth, starter signal, device and constant. The same as constant, earth, signal, starter, device. Tester is on the positive terminal, so we have earth. Then I'm going to put the tester on the earth, so we test the start signal from the ECU. Try to start. See, there is feedback. Start again. It's okay. So here the problem is constant. So I'm going to try to start direct. Let me test the constant again. We don't have constant, so here the problem is the main fuse. This is the main fuse, which is 30 amp, that one. So I'm going to remove that fuse so that we test outside. Let me remove that. This is the fuse I'm talking about. So I'm going to test that fuse. You can see although it is transparent, so the test is okay. See, no signal. So the main problem is fuse. That one is okay. This is the new one. Let me try the old one. See, so here the main problem is that fuse. So I'm going to put back like that, and relay also. I think relay is okay. Like that. So we are going to confirm. So let's go and confirm. After replacing the new fuse or starter fuse, let's try. Let me put ignition on first. Ignition is on. Let me depress the brake. See, after that, 1 2 3, half kick. So the main fault code was the starter fuse. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.